Hello friends, today's word is dental lamina. Dental lamina. Dental lamina. At about 7th week of intrauterine life, the primary epithelial band divides into an inner process called the dental lamina and an outer process called the vestibular lamina. The dental lamina serve as the primordium for the ectodermal portion of the deciduous teeth. Later, during the development of the jaws, the permanent molars arise directly from a distal extension of the dental lamina. Total activity of the dental lamina extends over a period of at least 5 years. Remnants of the dental lamina persist as epithelial pearls or islands within the jaw as well as in the gingiva. These are referred to as cell rest of Ceres. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.